So, friends, actually, my best friend, never cooks for anyone and whoever it is. Okay, and I was hungry and I had forced her to cook it for me. What is she doing? She's cooking Maggie for me. I guess I feel so blessed, but it's okay. It's just because I said her to do it. I forced her to cook for me. I'll show you, okay?
Doing Maggie for her. Status gaku.
This Maggie. She's cooking for the very first time. She's bringing it for me, okay? This is what is called as princess treatment. Hey, Iliku. So, first time ನಂಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಏನು ಹೇಳು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು
ನಾನು ಬದುಕ್ತೀನಾ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಹೊಡಿತೈತೆ.
ಬದುಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನು.
Nice. Okay, let's try. If at all I die, it's only because of her.
Yes, only because of me.
Okay, I'm trying it. Okay. ಗೈಸ್, ನನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆದರೆ ಅವಳೇ ಕಾರಣ. ನಾಳೆ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಳೇ ಕಾರಣ.
ನಾಳೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೀಯ?